Is it that nothing ever lasts these days? The fucking heating element on this heating fan's gone. So it's time to go for a death drop for its main voyage. I'll do it when we're stronger on. Bye. Oh dear. Let's see if this thing will run now. I dropped it once and it's not happy. I think it's time we finish it off. Just before you ask me in there. That should have killed it now. Not happy one bit. Not happy at all. Don't think them windings are going to be happy at all. Oh, she sees now. Fuck. Shit. Right then, one last time just to see if it'll go pop. Last attempt. Well, that fucking half pin's getting knocked. Nice. One halt in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not hot. Fucking thing. Fucking thing. Giving it enough smacks with the hammer. That's why. Enough smacks with the hammer. Now let's see what happens. It's got to go bang now. It's got to go bang. How is that not dead? Fuck, that thing's tough.